Do it now, or you could get caught up by the biggest changes with YouTube monetization requirements coming this February 2027. Yes, you heard it right. If you're a small YouTuber right now, especially kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, you're trying to reach that 1,000 subscribers, you're working on your 4,000 watch hours, and you're grinding every single day just to get monetized, you have to pay attention to this. Because YouTube is making major changes that could make the road to monetization even harder. So, if you're thinking na okay lang, may time pa naman ako because it's still on February 2027, well, it may sound far away, but it's only 5 months. And remember that creating channel is not that easy. You need subscribers, you need watch hours, you need views, you need consistency, and most importantly, you need to build audience. So in this video, we're going to talk about the 10 biggest changes that you need to know about YouTube monetization in 2027 and why you should start working on your channel now. Change number 1 is all about the watch hour requirement. So right now, in order for you to become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So in 2027, the 1,000 subscribers is still 1,000. But the 4,000 watch hours will become 8,000 watch hours. Imagine that. Kung nahihirapan ka ngayon to get the 4,000 watch hours, how much more pag naging doble na? It will become 8,000 watch hours starting next year. Kaya if you're really serious about monetizing your YouTube channel, it's time to do it now. You have to really start building your watch time. Don't just upload videos. Create videos that people would actually want to watch until the end. You have to improve your storytelling, you have to create a better thumbnail, and you have to improve your editing skills, or maybe make some interesting topics that people would really want to watch. Because right now on YouTube, views are good, but viewer retention is better. If you can make people watch your video until the end and watch another video of you, that's very important in YouTube right now. That's for the long form videos. Now let's talk about the change number 2, which is all about the YouTube Shorts. Currently, if you're a YouTube Shorts creator and you want to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program, you need to hit the 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public views. But on 2027, that's gonna be double, from 10 million to 20 million valid public views. And I'm telling you, that's not an easy thing to do. Change number 3 is about the 1,000 subscriber requirement. Now, don't get confused because in 2027, it's still 1,000 subscribers. But here's the thing. YouTube is also evolving. It's now using AI to detect the subscribers if the subscribers that you have are really your audience or they really watch your video. So instead of you asking your friends to please subscribe to my channel or asking random people to subscribe to your channel, you have to really create an interesting video for you to build your own audience. That's when you upload your video, you already have your own audience that's waiting and ready to watch your videos. Kung may 1,000 subscribers ka but nobody watches your videos, that's a problem. YouTube algorithm can detect and it will hurt your channel. Change number 4. YouTube is still big on consistency. Hindi porket nakapag-viral ka ng 1-2 videos or shorts, yun na yun. It should be, meron kang consistency para sa viewers mo. Hindi pwede yung bigla ka nilang mawawala. YouTube algorithm could detect that. So, dapat meron kang like schedule, or you can do it like maybe once a week, twice a week, or every other week, once a month. Pero sa totoo lang, yung once a month, napakahabang waiting time na yon para sa mga audience mo. But whatever works for you. Consistency is not about like you have to really upload every day kasi nakakapagod din yon. Dapat yung videos mo planado, planchado, hindi yung upload ka lang ng upload ng kung ano-ano. Well, meron namang mga creators din na nagiging successful with that? Maybe yung mga celebrity, of course, kasi sikat na sila. Change number 5. Shorts creators need consistent performance. Kung mapapansin mo sa earnings ng shorts form videos mo or yung sa shorts, hindi siya yung tulad ng evergreen long form video na kahit ilang months na yung dumaan or years yung dumaan, yung kita niya is the same pa din or nag-add up lang siya kasi meron tayong tinatawag na 90-day rolling period for the shorts form video, kaya hindi porket nakapag-viral ka ng shorts video mo, you will stop uploading na. You have to consistently upload shorts form video, and of course, you have to study bakit nag-work yung video na yon, bakit nag-viral kaya yung video na yon. So, get that information and use that information para mag-create ng panibagong shorts form video na papatok na naman or like mag-viral na naman. Change number 6. YouTube wants active creators. So, sa latest changes ng YouTube, in-emphasize talaga na dapat active yung creator. Hindi na uso ngayon yung I will just upload videos whenever I feel like it, or kung gusto mo lang mag-upload ng videos, hindi na uso yan ngayon. So, sa YouTube updates, nakalagay na doon na within 1 year or 12 months, dapat meron kang 1,000 watch time or watch hours sa long form video mo. And then sa YouTube Shorts naman, sa shorts form video mo, dapat merong 1 million views, valid public views within 1 year. So, in terms of the uploads naman, kailangan merong 2 long form video within 90 days at saka 5 shorts form video within 90 days. So, yan yung magiging basehan ngayon ng YouTube algorithm na active yung isang creator. So, you have to really watch on that. Kaya, dapat nga maging consistent tayo na uploading our videos. Change number 7, don't let your channel become inactive. YouTube already has policies around inactive channels. If a channel is inactive for an extended period, such as 6 months without uploading or posting, YouTube reserves the right to remove monetization. So, getting monetized is not the finish line. That is just the beginning. Sino ba namang ayaw din na kumita? So, you have to really upload and upload, especially pag monetize na yung channel mo, para merong mag-add up na mga revenue sa'yo. Para saan pa na nag-effort ka na ma-monetize yung channel mo kung ayaw mo namang mag-upload ng mag-upload during the time na monetize na yung channel mo. Remember, hindi rin ganun kadaling kumita sa YouTube pag monetize na yung channel mo. Kaya, kailangan ka talagang maging consistent para wag mawala yung audience na na-build mo na. Change number 8 is for the existing YouTube Partner Program creators who are already monetized. You have to really check your YouTube Studio. You have to check the notification. You have to read the new or the updated terms and conditions. And you need to agree to that before the deadline. That's before February 1, 2027. So go ahead and check your YouTube Studio for you to get updated. Because here's the thing. YouTube policies change, and as creators, it's our responsibility to keep updated. Always check the official YouTube information. Change number 9, originality. Especially ngayon that AI is everywhere. But don't get me wrong, kasi yung AI nakakatulong talaga sa mga creators like me. So, AI can help brainstorm, AI can give you new ideas, or maybe create a script of your content or some editing and production. Lahat yan, napaka-helpful talaga ng AI. But hindi pwedeng i-rely mo na lang lahat kang AI, like nagiging mass-produce, repetitive siya. Dapat meron talagang original from you. You add personality, you add your own experiences, you add something that's like original from you. Kahit gumamit ka man ng AI, meron pa ring original na touch from you as a creator. Because at the end of the day, people or viewers don't subscribe to a robot. They subscribe to you. They subscribe to creators. So don't be afraid to like put something that's within your personality, your own storytelling, your own creativity, your own flavor. That's your advantage. Finally, change number 10, the YouTube Partner Program requirements for you to become a monetized channel is double. Remember that a lot of small creators are already struggling to reach the 4,000 watch hours and the 10 million public views on shorts right now. So how much more the double requirement to be part of the YouTube Partner Program? So that's why, kung meron ka talaga or seryoso ka talaga na gusto mong ma-monetize yung channel mo, do it now. Why should you start now? Because you can't build a successful YouTube channel overnight. You need time. You need time to learn. You need time to experiment. You need time to fail. You need time to improve. You need time to build your audience. So if you're planning to create a YouTube channel or monetize a YouTube channel, the time is now. Don't wait for February 2027 because that's gonna be harder. So that's it. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to get monetized and get some strategies on how to get 4,000 watch hours fast, you have to click this video right here because I explained the strategies on how you can get the 4,000 watch hours fast. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one.